If Facebook video sound is not working for you, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that you can try right now. This is a common issue, and the good news is that in many cases, it only takes a couple of quick checks to get the audio working again. Before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Now, let's jump in. First, check your device volume and make sure it is turned up. It sounds basic, but this is one of the most common reasons Facebook video sound appears to be broken. If you're on a computer, look at your system volume and make sure your speakers or headphones are not muted. If you're on a phone or tablet, use the volume buttons to raise the media volume, not just the ringtone volume. Sometimes the video itself is fine, but the sound is simply turned down too low to notice. Next, refresh the Facebook page. A quick refresh can fix temporary loading issues that may be preventing the video audio from playing properly. If the page was glitching or the video failed to load correctly the first time, refreshing can force Facebook to reload the content and restore the sound. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. If you are using Facebook in a web browser, old cached files or cookie data can sometimes cause playback problems, including missing sound. Go into your browser settings, clear the cache and cookies for Facebook if possible, then close and reopen the browser and try the video again. This often fixes strange playback issues that keep happening even when your volume is fine. If the problem still continues, try playing a different Facebook video to see whether the issue is with one specific video or with Facebook sound in general. If other videos work, then the original video may have an audio issue on Facebook's side, but if no videos have sound, then the problem is more likely on your device, browser, or account settings. You can also try logging out of Facebook and logging back in again. Sometimes a fresh sign-in resets minor session problems that can affect video playback. If you are on a browser, you may also want to try a different browser entirely, just to test whether the issue is browser-related. And if you are using the Facebook app, make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can cause bugs, including video sound issues. Updating the app, restarting your device, and trying again can often solve the problem quickly. So to recap, the main fixes are to check your device volume, refresh the Facebook page, and clear your browser cache and cookies. In many cases, those simple steps are enough to bring the sound back. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more Facebook troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.